This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Welcome to the beautiful maintenance-free community of Grand Oak at Terra. This pristine condo features 2-bed, 2-bath plus a den. Immaculate ground floor condo overlooks the golf course. 1-car detached garage and extra storage area are perfect for your storage needs. Minutes to I-75, Lakewood Ranch Hospital and the new University Town Center Mall. Rental includes basic cable, high-speed internet, water, sewer, trash pickup, community pool, and renter will also have access to the community pool and tennis courts at the Terra Preserve Center. Call today to schedule a showing. Rental available November 21, 2020. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.